Hormones play a crucial role in shaping our mood and desire. They are the silent influences that can significantly affect how we feel and interact with the world around us. Understanding their impact is the first step towards managing our emotional and physical well-being. Hormones are powerful chemical messengers that regulate various functions within our bodies. Produced by glands, they travel through the bloodstream, influencing nearly every physiological process. From growth and metabolism to sleep and reproductive functions, hormones play a pivotal role in our mood, energy levels, and sexual desires. Several key hormones influence our mood and desire. Estrogen, primarily a female hormone, enhances cognitive function and heightens sexual responsiveness. Testosterone, present in both sexes, is crucial for energy and overall well-being. Progesterone is often associated with calmness and sleep, while oxytocin, known as the bonding hormone, fosters feelings of trust and attachment. These hormones shape our emotional landscape and influence our desires. The menstrual cycle intricately links with hormonal shifts, profoundly impacting a woman's mood. Understanding these fluctuations can help manage emotional changes. During pre-ovulation, estrogen rises, leading to improved mood and increased energy. In pre-menstruation, drops in hormones can trigger mood swings and irritability. Post-ovulation, progesterone rises, promoting feelings of calmness and relaxation. Sexual desire, or libido, is a complex interplay of physical, psychological, and hormonal factors. At ovulation peak, estrogen and testosterone levels rise, boosting libido and sexual interest. High progesterone levels, such as during pregnancy, can decrease sexual desire. Elevated stress hormone cortisol can suppress the body's natural production of sex hormones, lowering libido. Hormonal imbalances can manifest as significant mood disturbances, affecting daily life and overall well-being. Recognizing these links is crucial for seeking appropriate support. Hormonal fluctuations can trigger intense mood swings, heightened anxiety, or even depressive episodes. PMS and PMDD cause severe emotional symptoms in up to 40% of women before their periods. Menopause transition also leads to mood changes, hot flashes, and reduced desire. While often associated with women, men's hormones also profoundly impact their mood and sexual well-being. Testosterone is the primary actor here, with levels naturally fluctuating throughout the day and with seasons, impacting energy and motivation. Testosterone levels decline with age, leading to reduced libido and fatigue. Hormones significantly shape a man's energy levels, self-confidence, cognitive function, and overall sexual interest. Lifestyle interventions can significantly support hormonal balance, leading to improved mood and enhanced desire. Regular exercise boosts endorphins, serotonin, and dopamine, naturally elevating mood and reducing stress. A healthy diet rich in whole foods provides essential nutrients for optimal hormone production. Stress management techniques can lower cortisol, mitigating its negative impact on mood and libido. Quality sleep is crucial for regulating all major hormones. While hormonal fluctuations are normal, persistent or severe symptoms warrant professional attention. Don't hesitate to consult a healthcare provider if mood swings, low desire, or other symptoms significantly impact your daily life. A doctor can assess your hormonal profile and suggest appropriate interventions. Open communication with your partner fosters understanding and support, which is vital for maintaining intimacy and emotional health during these times. Hormones quietly shape how you feel and desire, impacting your emotional and physical state significantly. Understanding these messengers empowers you to take proactive steps towards managing your mood and nurturing relationships. Even small, consistent lifestyle changes can lead to profound improvements in hormonal balance and overall well-being. Take control of your well-being.